Good day, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Mean Absolute Deviation. That's right, today we're going to be finding the mean absolute deviation using that set of data. Now, whoa, just dropped my pen. Remember that the mean absolute deviation tells us, on average, how far the numbers in a data set are from the mean. Simply put, mean absolute deviation is the average distance of the numbers from the mean. So let me pick up my pencil. There we go. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find the mean. And to find the mean, you got to add them all up and divide the sum by the number of numbers. So we're going to go ahead and add up 5 plus 10 plus 10. We're going to add up all these numbers right here. And I got my handy-dandy calculator just to make sure that I do it correctly. So let me do that real quick. So I got 5 plus 10 is going to be 15. 15 plus 10 is going to be 25. 25 plus 14 puts us at 39. And 39 plus 30 is going to get us 69. And then 69 plus 30 leaves us with 99. Oh boy. Couldn't have done just one more and made it 100. Nope. Got to be 99. Now remember, we got to divide the sum by the number of numbers. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we actually have to divide 99 by 6 in order to get our mean. So 99 divided by 6 is going to be 16.5. So now we have a mean of 16.5, also known as 16 5/10. Now, let's go ahead and erase that, clean it up all nice for us, because now we simply need to find out how far each of these numbers are away from the mean. How far is 5 from 16.5? How far is 10 from 16.5? And so on and so forth. And those will be our new data values. So let's go ahead and do that. How far is 5 away from 16.5? That's right. It's going to be 11.5. So that's our new data value. How far is 10 away from 16.5? That is going to be 6.5. And look, I have another 10, so I have another 6.5. And how far is 14 away from 16.5? That is going to be 2.5. How far is 30 away from 16.5? That, my friends, is 13.5. And we do that twice because we have two 30s. 13.5. It's going to bug me if I don't fix that. Hold up. 13.5. Okay, so now that we have all of our distances, we're going to go ahead and add these all up. Because remember, to find the mean, we got to add them all up, then divide the sum by the number of numbers. So if I add up all these numbers, 11.5 plus 6.5 plus 6.5 plus 2.5 plus 13.5 plus 13.5, I actually do get 54. Now remember, I'm dividing by the sum by the number of numbers, and of course I have 6 numbers. So the mean absolute deviation is going to be 54 divided by 6, which happens to be 9. Dun, 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 dun. You can do it, says Isaac Newton. Does that look like Isaac Newton? Well, yeah. I believe you can do it, and so does AI Isaac Newton. Yeah, you got it, man. Can you dig it?